In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Wix with Hubspot. If you're looking to streamline your operations and ensure that your website interactions automatically flow into your CRM, you've come to the right place. We'll explore how to connect these platforms using Zapier, a powerful automation tool that links different services together without the need for any complex coding. First off, you need to determine which app is going to act as the trigger and which one will serve as the action in this integration. For our purposes, let's choose a new form submission in Wix as the trigger event. This means whenever someone submits a form on your Wix site, that will kickstart the whole process. The action would then be to create a contact in Hubspot, allowing the data to flow directly into your CRM, making sure you don't lose any important lead information. Next, it's time to connect your accounts through Zapier. You'll need to authorize both your Wix and Hubspot accounts to allow them to share data seamlessly. For this, log into Zapier, and when prompted, enter your credentials for both Wix and Hubspot. Follow the on-screen instructions to give the necessary permissions to Zapier to access your accounts. This step is crucial, as it forms the backbone of our automation process, allowing these platforms to communicate with each other. Now we move on to mapping the fields. This is where you tell Zapier which information from the Wix form should populate specific fields in Hubspot. For example, if your form collects a visitor's name and email address, you would map these fields to the corresponding contact fields in Hubspot. This ensures that all the data is stored accurately and systematically within your CRM, making it easier to manage and utilize for future marketing or sales activities. With the trigger, action, and mapping set up, the final step is to activate the automation. Turn on the workflow in Zapier to enable it to run independently whenever the trigger event occurs. Once activated, whenever someone fills out a form on your Wix site, the information will be automatically transferred to Hubspot, creating a new contact without you having to lift a finger. This routine automation saves time and minimizes human error, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Remember, you can tweak and adjust your settings within Zapier to better fit your specific needs. Whether it's additional data points you'd like to capture or more sophisticated workflows involving multiple steps and apps, Zapier provides the flexibility to customize to your heart's content. By following these clear and straightforward steps, you can efficiently integrate Wix with Hubspot, ensuring all your valuable customer data is stored where you need it most. Let this integration simplify your workflow, reduce manual data entry, and enhance the way you track your leads and interactions.